Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to solve the problem of temporary hold unsuccessful. As you can see, this was the problem and I have been able to resolve it, and this is the solution I've had now. So I will show you how to also be able to follow this same process and get your problem resolved. Now you may come to your ad manager and you see something like, we weren't able to place a temporary hold of funds on your card. There weren't enough funds on your card to place a hold, so your ads are not delivering. And then you may see you can pay now or something, or try again. Now when you click on try again, it took me to the payment settings where it asked me to try again, and then when I clicked, it still told me that my temporary hold was unsuccessful. And as you can see here, it failed, it failed, it failed, it failed. Now I want to explain to you what causes the temporary hold problem and how to solve it once and for all. Temporary hold is a situation where Facebook want to check whether you have enough money in your ad account for your next payment. So for example, if you come to this ad account, you see the threshold of the ad account. Threshold means the amount they will be charging. When I spend up to that particular amount, they will charge. So the threshold is $7. So what it means is that, this is a postpaid ad account. Postpaid means I have to run the advert before I pay. So they are trying to check that if I run and spend up to my threshold, which is $7, will I be able to pay? Will there be enough money in my debit card? So in order to do that, they have to place a temporary hold. Temporary hold means they are trying to check, is there money we can charge? They will normally release that money back. So when they try to hold some funds in your account to test and see if there is money, because you don't have money, it will fail. So you see, it was supposed to be what, seven um 7 pounds. So when they tried, it didn't go through, so it failed. They tried again, and then it failed. So they tried up to about even more than 3 times, and all of it failed. So sometimes you may have money and it will still be doing that way. Sometimes to a lot of people, um it's because you don't have enough money in your account. So now if you have this problem, what I will advise you is scroll down to the failed transactions and see how much they are trying to charge. So for example, if they are trying to charge, say, $7, make sure that you have more than $7 in your advertising account. And then after you top up with money up to the amount they are trying to charge, come and click on try hold again. It is likely to go. Now if you have that amount of money and it is still not going through, then my second advice is that change the debit card. Some of the debit card, they maybe it has not been activated for online transactions, so you may try to do the temporary hold and it doesn't go through, so you can change the card. If you do that and it still does not work, then I will advise you to come here. When you come to the ad manager, um, it could be temporary files that are holding, or temporary files that are affecting your advertising account and the payment is not going through successfully. Maybe it is in your browser. Okay, so you can come and click on the three dot and click on reset ad manager, and then come back and try again. But if you have enough money in your debit card and you click on try again, it is likely to go through successfully and the payment will be successful, and you will have your ad account working once again. If you do that, you'll be able to solve that problem. Now if you look here, the money wasn't initially up, so after I put the money, I just went and then clicked on what, try again. And when I tried again, you see it now says ad account now active, temporary hold approved, and now the advert is running. So another option I will advise you is you can consider using a new ad account or creating a different ad account. If all those steps fail, you follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link in the description to contact us. I will leave my WhatsApp or Telegram link in the description. You can follow to contact us and we help you get a solution to whatever problem that you have. Thank you once again for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. See you in the next video, and bye.